Hello my friends and welcome back. I am doing a plan with me this week. It is November 23rd through the 29th and it is in my Erin Condren Horizontal Planner. And this week I decided, I've been looking at this book, I just picked it up. It might be an old book, I don't know, but anyway, it's the color story book. And I just absolutely, I've used some of these for another spread, but I honestly just love these. And I know we're in the fall and it's almost winter time, but I just love the colors. And because November is blue in the Erin Condren book, I thought I would go ahead and take advantage of that. So these were just so pretty to me, especially these. And I thought, you know what? It's still sunny outside. Some days we still have nice days. And, but anyway, it had this page, and then more of these functional boxes. And then this. And I might do another spread with this in my Happy Planner. But for today, I am going to be using, some of these. And as you know, this is my journal. So I don't want to fill it up too much with boxes. However, I do want to decorate it a little bit. And I found this washi tape, apparently I'd never used. So I wanted to go ahead and lay it out. Even though the blue matches this, I still want to add some of the tape. So I will be adding that after I put the boxes down because you know me, I put my washi down and then I always put something on top of it. So it almost seems like a waste to do that sometimes. So anyway, the one sticker that I did want to do is, and I don't think I'm going to use my wax paper today, but I did want to use the one that says plans, especially for Thanksgiving. So actually, maybe I will. Hold on one second. I don't want to make so much noise with it. Okay, let me see. Let's go ahead and pull one of these plans. Okay, we can do that over there or right over here or in the center. And I was thinking maybe lining it up with that, which I thought would be kind of cute. So maybe that and that. And then I really like this. It says, you can never cross the ocean unless you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. So I may use that. Let me look at some of these other. Here, I'm going to use favorite, the word favorite, just in case there was a favorite thing that happened during the week, or I'll put it down at the bottom. And then weekends are for adventures. I'll go ahead and use that. And how about dream plan do? That's a cute little one. I like this, wonder more. That's cute. And maybe we can incorporate, let me see. We have some of these clear palm trees. So maybe one of these clear palm trees. And we always want to have feel of good vibes. Let's do that. Let's see what else we have in this book. Enjoy the wild ride. I wonder if maybe I can do some of these like a checklist for Saturday or Sunday. Actually, maybe, it's kind of hard because I do use this as a planner. This says wonderful. This says it's not about having time. It's about making time. Be an explorer of the world. Go with the flow. Happy-go-lucky. Maybe I'll do the happy-go-lucky. That kind of matches this one. And then maybe we'll stick some others in there. Let me just go ahead and try to lay these down first. Let's do this. Since it is for Thanksgiving. You know, I really love my Erin Condren, but I wish they did not shade this because I just don't like the fact that they shade it. And, you know, a lot of times boxes, unless you buy a kit, a lot of times boxes don't really fit in there, or you have to cut down your boxes. So anyway, we'll just go ahead and lay this down. Make sure that's straight. Let's line it up with that line. And that way we know it's straight. And these lines right here. We'll go ahead and do plans. For Thanksgiving. I'm trying to line it up with these little polka dots that are on the sticker. Okay. And then, see, like we could put one or more here, and that's fine. It fits in, but wouldn't it be lovely if there was something right behind it? Let me see in the same book if they have anything that I can use that I can cut down. Maybe, what about this? I really want to keep that color scheme of the blues, you know, like the beachy, the blues, the greens, and the blacks. There is a little bit of gold in this. It says happy-go-lucky. Let's see what this book, oh, maybe we can use something like this behind that. Let's see. That's kind of cute. Let's try that. You know, I need to make sure that I have space so I can journal. Wonder more. Okay, that's kind of cute. And let's go ahead and put maybe happy-go-lucky for the weekend. Maybe put the palm tree along with it, beside it. I'm going to try to cover up these boxes. Ooh. I think it's so much nicer, you know, to like stagger them within, but I really want to keep this so that I can happy-go-lucky. And then here we've got this, weekends are for adventures. So to me, the weekend always starts Friday night. So let's go ahead and put that down there. Okay. Oh, I wanted to do favorites right here. Let's see if we can put something behind it. I like these a lot, but I don't want all that color in there. Let's see. Oh, I like that good vibes. We have good vibes there. I like this. It says, she's a dreamer, a doer, a thinker. She sees possibility everywhere. It's really nice. And then this one says, outdream yourself. So it does go along with the black, and so does this choose to shine. So maybe we could do that as well. I don't know what goes on with my books, but honestly, oh, this is a nice one too. Today is a good day for a good day, except it's got too much purple in it. Oh, maybe one of these. Let's see how that would that take away from it? Those are so pretty. Should we do it this way and then just put that like that? I was thinking of doing it this way, but I think this way would be prettier. Let's lay it down. Oh, that is so pretty. And then we could just write favorites. Put favorites right there. What do you think so far? I know it looks sparse, and it's supposed to be so that I can continue journaling. However, I would like to add this good vibes right in here. Thanksgiving. I think on Friday, I'm just going to do this very simple. Dream, plan, do. Let's see if we can put something behind this good vibes. Maybe we'll put the good vibes down here. Let's see what we can do. I am so glad. Tonight is Friday night. I am so glad. It was a great week. Honestly, it was a really, really good week. I like that. And that kind of makes it pop. I wonder if I could, if I could cut that top off. Okay, we might do that one. Let's see what else we have. Oh, here's a big one. Anyway, it was a great week. Very good week for work, home. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Amen. I believe that too. May your coffee be strong and your Monday be short. Oh, that would have been a great one for Monday. I think the other one that we chose, that I found, I think that other one might be the winner. Although, could I do those leaves? Let me see what that would look like. They almost look like eyelashes, even though I know they're not. Hold on a minute. If they crossed over and then, I don't know, I think I like that other one better, honestly. Let's put these guys back where they belong. Maybe we'll use them another time. And everything else is colorful. Yeah, everything else is too colorful. Okay, let's go back to the other one. We don't need this anymore. And we will have to cut it. Now, of course, you know, whenever you want to go back to something, you can never find it. I think it was here. Here it is. Okay, let's see. I do need to cut it, or else we could find something. Yeah, I think I need to cut it. That will stay right there. Let me get my scissors. I hope I cut it evenly. Let's do it this way. Let's just go straight across. We could save that for something else, maybe. do a little planner surgery. Now it's not going to cover up that full box, but it'll cover up some of it. Okay. And then we've got Good Vibes right here. That looks cute. And let me see, do we want to even use the tape? Yeah, I think the tape will add just a little bit of something to it. I don't know that I would do it on every single one. And you know, it's blue behind it. I don't care. Oh, that does look kind of cute. Okay, that's cute. Should we do some down here? Or up here? Or maybe up here to mark the holiday. Oh no, that's not the holiday. That's Friday, sorry. Okay. Let's do that. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. What do you guys think? I love it. I wish I could put something here for Thanksgiving, but this I'll just write about the plans that we have and maybe write a little blurb here. And then maybe here where it says favorites, put something favorite about Thanksgiving Day with my family. Let me just look real quick if there's anything else, something small. Up here, maybe another palm tree. No. I like that Think Happy, Be Happy. Maybe we could put that up there. Dream big or dream often. Which one do you guys think? The green one or the blue one? I think there's more blue. Dream big, dream often. We could put that maybe up here. This might be a favorite spread for me. And then this one says, inhale confidence, exhale doubt. That is so true, you know? That's what I've been trying to do this past month or so. Okay. All right, you know what, guys? I think this is pretty as is. And like I said, this is what I use for my journal. So I think I'm going to leave it at that. And I hope you like it. And I will take a video closer to it. And it will be at the end of the video. So if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Please share my videos with your friends. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.